today I'm going to show you chana masala and some yummy puris to go with it. Yeah, it's a very very famous Indian breakfast in Indian households. 3 times a week people are eating puri and chana masala.
And now everybody else is going to eat it.
Oh yeah, we're going to have a great lunch today.
Let's start.
To prepare your chickpeas, soak them in water overnight. The next day, cook them in a pressure cooker. Once they are ready, roughly mash them. You can also use canned chickpeas for a quick version of this recipe. If you're using canned chickpeas, mash them directly without cooking them. On a medium heat, drizzle some oil in a deep pan. Once the oil is hot, we add some cumin seeds. Chopped onions. Now add ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix well and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. And now we add the tomatoes. Mix well. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes become nice and soft. Now that our tomato gravy is ready, we are going to add the chickpeas. Make sure you add a little bit of water from the chickpeas. Cook for about 2-3 minutes and finish it off with some fresh cilantro. Serve the chickpeas hot with some puris or rice.
If people don't like chickpeas, can they replace it with something else?
Definitely, you can throw a bunch of vegetables in it. Very classical thing is you can put potato in it. Potato and puri are like
boiled potatoes.
Best friends.
Yeah.
So
or if you don't find garbanzo beans, you can use a tinned garbanzo beans. So
Or like canned
ones.
chickpeas.
So it will
Yeah.
make it simpler.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect.